Hey, Praisers and Savers. So I wanted to show you guys one of my favorite apps. It's also a website known as Flip. So with couponing, it isn't just so much the coupon that you have to focus on. It's actually the circular. Now, usually, let me show you some. Usually you get the circulars from the grocery store. So this one, they actually came to our mailbox. So this is, the buy low circulars, the sales paper. Here's the Food Lion sales paper, the circular. Publix. So you can walk into any grocery store and they'll be sitting there right when you walk in. Well, if you're at home and you want to go ahead and start planning your sales for the week and what you're going to buy, the best thing to do is go ahead and go to the Flip app on your phone or the Flip website. So I have the Flip website pulled up for you guys, and I'm just going to browse to it and let you know. Now, when I log into the Flip website, it is free. You don't have to pay for it. You can log in with your Facebook account or your Google account, so you don't have to remember your password each time. I'm logged in with my Google account. There you see Praising and Saving. And so we're going to create a shopping list. And so right now I have nothing in my shopping list. And then I can change my location, so I can put in my zip code right there, so I can, show where I'm located because they're different for where you are. And then you can actually click on your favorite stores. You can load your favorite stores. There's a squirrel out there. I don't like squirrels. And so, and then there's circulars, there's coupons, all of that. And so I'm going ahead and click on my favorites. So we're going to start browsing some circulars that are my favorite stores. So you're going to go to your favorites, start browsing circulars, and you're kind of going to scroll through and show you what's near you. So these are the nearest stores. Near me, there's the Food Line. I don't really shop there. Publix, one of my favorites, of course. I'm going to click the heart there. There's Lidl. I shop there sometimes, but not enough to coupon. Family Dollar is always a winner. Walgreens, I don't really shop at Walgreens, too complicated. There is Kroger, my fave, so I'm going to click on that. And when I click on that, it's going to save all the Kroger. So anytime I want to go to Kroger, it's going to come up first. I won't have to scroll through all these. There's Dollar Tree, Ulta Academy. You can also go up here to the top and type it in. So we're going to type in CVS because I love some CVS. There it is. I'm going to click on that. And then, all right, so once it comes up, you're going to click on the heart, and it'll save all of the CVS circulars for you. And then it also breaks down some items there. So I've done Kroger, CVS. I like to go to Walmart if they have one. Sometimes they do. Let's see. Nope, there's no circulars for Walmart. They used to have them, but not anymore. All right, so now once we've done that, we can click on circulars here to look for some more. But now that you have your favorites done, you can click on that and your favorites will appear up here. So your favorites are there. You can find other ones. There's also coupons that they have listed here. I don't really mess with that too much, but I'm going to go back to my favorites and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so, CVS didn't get added. Oh, there it is. It's down there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go to Kroger. I absolutely love this for my videos that I make, and you can kind of browse through the Kroger ad. So this is for the December 26th to December 29th ad. I'm going to look through it here. If there's anything I really like, these digital weekly deals have been great lately. This is what I was actually working on last week. I got this deal last week, and when you click on it, it shows it to you up close. And it tells you like the whole deal. So you're going to get it for $1.99, if you're going to save $1 because of the digital coupon. So click that item. It's in your shopping list now. So I'm going to X off of that. And then also the salad dressing. And do you see how it's doing the little circle? There it is in my shopping list. Do you see how it's doing the circle around the item? I love that because it gives me a visual. I'm a visual person. Macaroni and cheese is something I did last week. We're going to click that item. And it tells me there's a digital coupon with the card. So use my shopping list again. All right. And what else? So those are like going to be the best things of the week for me so far. All right, I'm going to look through. And then you can actually, like, when the hand is showing, you can use the hand to help you kind of move the page. So if the hand's showing like that, you can move the page like that. But the hand has to be showing for that. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I really need. These totes are on sale for $5.99, and I do need some of these to put some of the Christmas stuff in. So I'm going to click that. It's in the list for me again, circled for me. And this is it. This is going to be it. Usually the circular is a lot bigger than this, but I think because it only goes until the 29th, it's a lot shorter. It's a short week because of the new year coming up. All right, so that's the items I want to get. So when you have found all the items you like, I'm going to click some other stuff. There's avocado. I'm going to click that. You go to your shopping list right here. And they all appear for you. And they look like a little clip from the magazine, from the circular. It's pretty cute. And you can say, okay, I want this, I need this, I need this. And you can go through your coupon binder or however you keep your coupons and go through it. Now, the great thing about this is it doesn't have to just be Kroger. When you go back to your circular, and there's CVS. So this one ends today. I'm just going to click a couple things. And let's say I just want some things off of here. I'm going to click that. Click item. All right, so let's say I clicked a couple things off the CVS and some Pepsi. All right, now it all has gone to my shopping list. So go back to my shopping list, and it shows me everything on there. I've got my CVS items that I liked. I got my Kroger items that I like, which is really cool because you're keeping it all together when you're making your shopping list. And then you can hit print. And what it does, it prints all those things for you so you can have your one shopping list for the week. Like you know exactly where to go to CVS and Kroger to get those items that are going to be cheap. Okay. One thing that I thought was so interesting growing up was my dad, he didn't coupon, he didn't care for it, but he did like sales. And so he would get the circulars that came in the mail every week. He would have all the circulars laid out. And he would say, okay, find the deal on the macaroni and cheese or find the deal on the milk. And we would sit there and we would circle all the deals. And we literally went from store to store to store. So we went from Kroger to Food Line to Bilo to Walmart, wherever had the best deals that week, and got our groceries for the week. It would take, a couple hours, but he was maximizing his savings without actually using coupons. And it just was, sometimes it was just fun. We were out getting what we needed for the week. And, we're getting all the best deals. And so this is one way to do that. You're making your grocery list, and then you're clicking on the stuff that you need to see what you're getting for the best deals of the week. So another thing that I like to do is, let's say I have a coupon for diapers and I know I need diapers for a baby shower. So one thing you could do is you could come up here to where it says search circular items, and let's say I have Pampers, because I know I'm having those coupons that come out, and I hit enter. They're going to show you all the stores that have deals on Pampers this week. And you can compare them and say, okay, which ones have the best deals for you? I'm not really a Walgreens shopper. That looks like a great deal at Walgreens, but I don't shop at Walgreens too much. But I do like me some CVS, and look, boom, there it is. So I can click on that because I think that's a better deal, because Kroger, is $21.99 for each box, but this is 2 for $20, and I just need packs. I don't need boxes, whatever, blah, blah, blah. You can click on that, find the best deals, and you can add that to your shopping list. Whatever it may be. And this is what I do a lot of times when I know I have an item that I need, and I have a coupon for it, or I need to find who has the best deals. I don't mind going to a couple different places. So let's just say, like, I need this week chicken broth. Let's see if anything comes up. Okay, looking at chicken broth, we've got Family Dollar has it on sale. CVS has the Campbell's. Bilo has it, and Publix has it. It says dog food. That's not chicken broth. So I'm actually going to go to Family Dollar this week and get some things. And when I'm in there, I know that it's going to, oh, that's not the right one. Not the right one. Go back. There it is. Chicken broth. So it's It's on sale for actually $1 for the chestnut heel chicken broth. I've never heard of that, but I might try it. And you clip it and you go pick it up. So it gives you just like it compares all the different prices for you for that week. So you're not having to hunt for it yourself. You can just type in the item that you need into the search engine. So going back to my shopping list, let's see what we got. We've got our CVS. Oh, there's our Family Dollar chicken broth that we need, our Kroger list. And it really helps you to make your shopping list for the week. So you're breaking it down also with your coupons. So remember that your ultimate goal is to combine your circulars with your coupons to make that amazing deal, because coupons don't really help that much if the items are not on sale. So it would be a waste of my time just to use coupons while items are not on sale. It has to be sales and coupons to make it amazing. So anyways, I'm trying to think if there's anything else I love about the Flip app. Oh yeah, one last thing that I love about it. They do, you can't see it because it hasn't happened, but what they do is, let's say I go back to the Flip website tomorrow. They've saved this for me, right? This is saved as I've logged in. And tomorrow, all these CVS items that you see here are going to be expired because this sale ends today. So these are all over today. What will happen is there'll be a little thing over top and it'll say item expired or sale expired. So it tells you what is expired and what is not. Now, one thing you can do is you can click on this little trash can and clean it up and it'll delete it. Also, if you just want to clean your list, you can hit clean your list. And what it's going to do is you can clean up your list with delete checked items and expired coupons. So you hit that. Now, if nothing's expired, it's not going to take it off. But if you check it, is there a check thing somewhere? I thought there was. Guess there's not. But if you hit that, it's going to take all your expired coupons off. So you don't have to worry about going back through and deleting all those on there. Not coupons, sorry, expired sales. Expired sales off, you don't have to delete all those. And then like I told you, the print feature where it will print off your list for you. Loading. There it is. And it's going to show it to you just like you're seeing it. So it's going to be the visual, because I'm a visual person. I like it visual. So you might want to change it to black and white, so you're not wasting all your good ink on these pictures of your items you're going to get. So, all right, guys, I want you all to check this out. The Flip out. Let me know how it does for you. I'm going to go back. Let me know how it does for you. There we go. One of my favorite things ever. So check it out. In the comments, if you finish this video to the very end, comment Flip, FLIPP, letting me know that you watched it all the way to the end. All right, hit that subscribe button and like this video. Share with your friends. Let them know about all the great things that you're learning. Thanks, guys. Bye.